Yeah. Shorty loves it, loves that I'm a dog. They don't want it, they scared of what I know. Told you the budget, I gotta get my own. Shout out my bros, this right here deserves a toast, A lot of people back home on my back and they know. Trying to get on my line, cause the people I know. Manifest this year, 7+ on the ropes. They ain't doing this shit, tripping over my flows. I'm on the way, tell them I don't play. I'm on the move, trying to get my pay.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Samad and you're watching Mr Salesman. Hope you guys are doing good. So by the way, this is day 3 of the winter sale. If you haven't seen my rest of the 2 videos, it will be linked in the I button on top. And so these designs in this video are out of this world. Trust me, you guys are gonna be shocked when you see these designs, because I have never reviewed or uploaded any of these designs on my channel before. There are some amazing floral designs, there are some amazing peacock feather designs as well, and some 3D designs at the end of this video. But these designs are really amazing, so don't miss any of the designs. And one more thing, this catalog is of 3000 rupees per roll. The original price is 3000 rupees per roll. But to know my sale price, my winter sale price, it will be mentioned at the end of this video, so watch my video till the end. And one more thing, this sale price is only for the subscribers, so if you wanna avail this sale, you need to subscribe to my channel. So without wasting your time, अब सीधा बढ़ते हैं प्रोडक्ट की तरफ. So this is the first page of this catalog. As you can see, this is a 3D floral designs, and it is also considered as an artistic design. So this is a pretty amazing design. This is the plain design of this one, so you can apply this one on your main wall or the front and back wall, and this one on the other 2 walls or the other 3 walls, depending on your taste. So there are some really amazing designs. Don't skip the video or you'll miss out even a single design. So you can see the display over here. It would look like this when it is installed. Original price of this wallpaper roll is 3000 rupees, but to know my wallpaper sale, my winter sale price, you need to watch the video till end. And you can apply these wallpapers in your bedrooms, in your living rooms, and even in your dining rooms, because this is a really decent catalog, as you can see. Now we have the peacock feathers designs, as you can see. This is a really decent catalog, and this is self-textured plain design, as you can see. Now this is the display of this design. As you can see, it is a really beautiful display, and you can apply this in your drawing rooms. It would look really amazing with the right lighting. Again, we have the self-textured plain one and the design one. Now we again have the floral bunches. This is the display. Always keep an eye on the display so that you guys can have an idea how to decorate your homes, how to decorate your room walls, your bedroom walls. If you like any of these designs, take a screenshot of the specific one and send it on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number will be present in the description box below and will be hovering on the screen. Don't miss out any of the winter sale catalogs. There will be a lot of them in the future in the month of December. And like all of my videos, click the bell notification icon, and also comment down below which one is your favorite design. My number is always present in the description box below, so you can message me whenever you want. But again, if you wanna avail the sale, you need to subscribe to my channel and send a screenshot of that to my WhatsApp number. And also share these videos with your family and friends, because everybody needs a wallpaper on their houses. This is my favorite design of this entire catalog. The color contrast, the depth of this design is really amazing. The plain one is also amazing with the self-textured design. and some glittery effect on it. So now we have the 3D designs, as you can see. This is the self-textured plain design and this is the 3D design. If you haven't seen my rest of the 2 winter sale videos, it will be linked in the I button on top and will be in the description box below. So just have a quick look at it. You don't know which design you would like, and it is a really right time for you guys to avail this sale, because in the future all of the wallpaper rates are gonna increase. So just take the benefit now while you can, or you'll miss the winter sale. There is also a really interesting 3D effect, as you can see in the display. It looks really good. And this one as well. It's like a checkers design, as you can see. And with this, we end today's review. So guys, this was the 3rd winter sale catalog. Hope you like all of these designs or even one of them. So if you wanna buy these designs, my number will be present in the description box below and will be hovering on the screen. You can take a screenshot of the specific one and send it on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so the original price of this catalog is 3000 rupees per roll, but the sale price that I am giving you in is 24.99 rupees per roll, rounded off to 2500 rupees per roll, but only for the subscribers. So if you wanna avail this sale, you need to subscribe to my channel and send that screenshot as well on a WhatsApp number. So yeah, you can avail the sale like that. But one more thing, this sale is only till 31st December. So if you wanna avail this sale, you need to subscribe and you need to do it before the 31st December, because this is a winter sale and it will go off from 31st December. So my previous 2 videos of the winter sale will be over here and over here, and yeah, for the next video, Allah Hafiz.